Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 2008. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look behind right side of the steering wheel. Right here on this lever, we've got a button on the top. Press the button to change menu on the instrument cluster. Next, you can use rolling button on the left side of the steering wheel to change instrument cluster style. And let's take a look what we can find here. Firstly, we can find personal 1 and 2 screen, minimum screen, driving screen, dials, and that's it. Using button on the wipers lever, you can find trip 1, trip 2, and current info. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.